Welcome back to another video. Integral of 1 by, this is the formula, x power m into mth root of x power m plus 1 into dx is equal to minus 1 by m minus 1 into mth root of x power m plus 1 upon x whole power m minus 1. This is the shortcut. Okay, one example. Integral of 1 by x power 5 into fifth root of x power 5 plus 1 into dx. Okay, this can be written as minus 1 by 5 minus 1 into fifth root of x power 5 plus 1 upon x whole power 5 minus 1. That is minus 1 by 4 into x power 5 plus 1 whole power 1 by 5. Fifth root means whole power 1 by 5 by x whole power 4. This can be written as minus 1 by 4 into power belongs to numerator and denominator. We have to write separate. X power 5 plus 1 whole power 4 by 5 by x power 4. That is equal to minus of x power 5 plus 1 whole power 4 by 5 by 4x power 4. This is the final answer. Okay, done. Now another short trick. Integral of 1 by x into x power 4 plus 1 into dx. This is very easy method. For suppose put x power 4 plus 1 is equal to t. Derivation of x power 4 is 4x cube. One derivation is 0 is equal to dt by dx. X cube into dx is equal to dt by 4. If you want numerator x cube, so numerator and denominator multiplying with x cube. Integral of x cube by x cube into x power 4 into x power 4 plus 1 into dx. X power 4 plus 1 is equal to t implies x power 4 equal to t minus 1. Okay, integral of x cube into dx equal to dt by 4. 1 by x power 4 is t minus 1 into t. This is dt by 4. 1 by 4 write in outside. Integral of 1 by t minus 1 into 1 by t into dt. This is partial fraction. T into 1 t minus t plus t cancel, minus into minus plus 1. Okay. For suppose here 1 by t minus 1 minus 1 by t. Here LCM is t minus 1 into t. Okay. T into 1 t minus of t minus 1. Minus t plus t cancelled. 1 by t minus 1 into t. Okay. 1 by 4 into integral of 1 by t minus 1 into dt minus integral of 1 by t dt. 1 by 4 into log of t minus 1 minus log of t plus c. This can be written as 1 by 4 into log a minus log b, log a by b, log of t minus 1 by t plus c. That is equal to 1 by 4 into log of t minus 1 is x power 4. X power 4 by t is x power 4 plus 1 into dx. Okay. Integral of x3 into x power 9 plus 7x power 8 upon x square plus 2x plus 5x power 8 whole square into dx. Okay, you observe in denominator highest power is x power 8. In this bracket x power 8 is common. 3 into x power 9 plus 7 into x power 8 upon in bracket x power 8 common. 1 by x power 6. X power 8 by x power 6 is x square plus 2 by x power 7. X power 8 by x power 7 is x plus 5 whole square into dx. integral of 3 into x power 9 plus 7 into x power 8. Square belongs to these two. X power 8 whole square is x power 16 into 1 by x power 6 plus 2 by x power 7 plus 5 whole square into dx. Okay, this belongs to both x power 9 by x power 16, x power 8 by x power 16. 3 into x power 9 by x power 16 plus 7 into x power 8 by x power 16 upon 1 by x power 6 plus 2 by x power 7 plus 5 whole square. Here x power 9 7 times is there, 8 times cancel, here 8 times is there. Integral of 3 by x power 7 plus 7 by x power 7 by x power 8 upon 1 by x power 6 plus 2 by x power 7 plus 5 whole square into dx. Put 1 by x power 6 plus 2 by x power 7 plus 5 is equal to t. Derivation of 1 by x power 6 is minus 6 by x power 7. Okay, plus 2 into derivation of x power 7, 1 by x power 7 is minus 7 by x power 8. Okay, plus 5 derivation is 0, dt by dx. Okay, in this minus 2 is common, 3 by x power 7 plus 7 by x power 8 into dx is equal to dt. 3 by x power 7 plus 7 by x power 8 into dx is equal to dt by minus 2. If this value substitute in this place, integral of 3 by x power 7 plus 7 by x power 8 into dx is equal to dt by minus 2. Okay, 1 by t square, this is totality, t square into dt by minus 2. Minus 1 by 2 write in outside, integral of minus 1 by t square into dt is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by t plus c. Okay, t value is 2 into t is 1 by x power 6 plus 2 by x power 7 plus 5 plus c. Simplify this, you can get the answer. That is equal to 1 by 2 into, here LCM is x power 7. X power 7 divided by x power 6 is x, plus x power 7 divided by x power 7 is 1, 1 into 2, 2, plus 5 into x power 7, 5x power 7 plus c. X power 7 taking numerator, x power 7 by 2 into 5x power 7 plus x plus 2 plus c. This is the final answer. And integral of, another shortcut, integral of e power x into sine of bx plus c into dx is equal to e power x upon a square plus b square into a sine of bx plus c minus b cos of bx plus c. Okay, integral of e power ax into cos of bx plus c into dx is equal to e power ax upon a square plus b square into a cos of bx plus c plus b sine of bx plus c. This formula is very easy. You identify sin x derivation integration is minus cos x. So here minus. Cos x integration is plus sin x, here plus is there. Okay. Now question, integral of, one example, 2 into e power 2x into sine 3x into dx. 2 is constant, right in outside, e power 2x into sine 3x into dx. Here a value is 2, B value is 3. E power 2x by 2 square plus 3 square into A sine bx plus c. A means 2 sine of 3x. C value is 0. Okay. Minus 3. B value is 3. 3 cos 3x plus c. That's enough. Here 2 into. Okay. Simplify this. 2 into e power 2x by 4 plus 9. 13 into 2 sine 3x minus 3 cos 3x plus c. That's enough. Another example, integral of 3 into e power 2x cos 3x into dx. 3 is constant right in outside. E power 2x into cos 3x into dx. What is the formula? E power x into cos bx plus c. 3 into e power 2x by a value is 2, b value is 3. 2 square plus 3 square into a cos 3x plus b means 3. 3 sine 3x plus c. 3 into e power 2x by 13. 4 plus 9 13 into 2 cos 3x plus 3 sine 3x plus c. That's enough. If you have any doubts, drop a comment. Thank you.